Hi guys, so today I'm doing a Grove Hall collaborative unboxing. It's my first order, so yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna put my referral link down below. I think you get like a free 5-piece set if you order. I really can't remember, but I'll post everything, the prices and stuff down below if I don't see it on the packing slip. I think I ordered this order. Let me put my glasses on. I think I placed this order 2 days ago. Today's Wednesday. Let me see, it might be on here. Oh, so the first thing I pull out is this packing slip, but they wrote a little thank you card. Okay, so it was 4 days ago that I did this, but it's been the weekend, so. And I was kind of shocked that it came here so quick because, I don't know, I didn't think it would, I thought it would take like a week, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so the next thing I pull out is this little note from your Grove guide, Annie, and it says, every little thing in your home should deserve its place in your home. And then there's a little card, it says Grove Collaborative, and then it's got a little message, which is all backwards so you can't read it, and it's talking about Annie, who's my Grove specialist, Grove guide, what she likes to do and stuff. So I'm not gonna go through that right now. I just think that's a nice little touch that they took the time to like write a little thank you note and include note. Okay, so the first thing I come out with is this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge set. There's two of them in here, and this was one of the free items that I got. So I'm gonna set that off to the side. And then they did package it really well. I got a ton of this packaging. Okay, so the first thing I pull out is this 16-ounce spray bottle. And this was a free item too, I think. Yeah, this was a free item. Yeah, so they packaged it really good. It's glass. It has like a silicone base. Kind of looks dirty, but it's okay. It's really nice. I like it. I'm gonna figure out what to use this for. Probably like glass cleaner or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out though. But that's really nice, and this is really nice packaging. I like that. They put that in there. The next thing I got, it's frozen. I just got it today, but it's so snowy. It's like, we just had a snowstorm. It's like, I think they're saying it's a state of emergency right now. We're in Michigan, so, yeah, so it's like, I don't know if you could see it on the inside. My wood for good is frozen on the inside, so I can't use that. I plan on using it on like my tables and stuff because I have wood tables. And yeah, so, and this is in the almond scent. I really wanted to try Method products because they're really good for like the environment and it's non-toxic. And I have 4 kids, so my newest is 17 months old and she is in everything. And she's always around me, so I figured I would try this and give it a go, just because I hear so many good things off of YouTube about their products. The next thing I have, oh, it's all frozen. That's just classy. This is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner and Bamboo, and I like that they put this little sticker up here so you know nobody's like tried it, or maybe they have. I don't know, but. And this is in the bamboo set. I'm going to actually smell this if I can, because I'm just curious. It smells good. It smells a little strong like cleaner, but I like that. Like, I'm hoping that it doesn't smell that strong, but this is frozen too, so I can't even spray it. And this is all-purpose cleaner, anti-bac, in the scent bamboo. And yeah. Can use it on kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garbage cans. So you can use it on anything. I mean, I'm not going to use it on, like, wood, so. Next thing I got was this. This is what I got for free. Everything in this package is frozen, so I think I'm just going to not. This is the Mrs. Meyer Clean Day dish soap, and I got it in the scent Bluebell, because I really wanted to try it. I just keep hearing such good things about Mrs. Meyer's and Method on YouTube, so I just had to try it. Sorry, my staircase is really dark, but oh well. The next thing I got, this was free also. I got quite a few things free. Maybe I can find the price. If I don't see the price, I'll just put it below and stuff so you guys can check it out on the website and all that. But this is the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera, and this is in the limited edition scent peppermint. Yeah, so I was like, I really wanted to try that. And the next thing I got is this. This was also free, so I didn't spend that much. I think I spent like 26 bucks, and I got a ton of free stuff. And this is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner in the scent Honeysuckle. I just see so many people, it's all frozen, so many people saying that they smell so good, so I just had to try. Here's the glass cleaner. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to use that for. This came with like this, so this was free. This is like a concentrate, orange and rosemary glass cleaner. So you just put this in there. It says to put it in the spray bottle, fill bottle with water, replace nozzle, and shake gently. So this is glass cleaner, so that's great. I don't think I ordered any glass cleaner. And then I got this. This one's sort of frozen. It's like a slushie in there. But this is a Method all-purpose pink grapefruit. And yeah, I just wait. Oh, so this one's anti-bac, and this one's not anti-bac. This is just regular all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, okay, whatever. Next thing I wanted to try this, was the Hello activated charcoal. I see a lot of people on Instagram and like stuff using charcoal on their like teeth to help whiten them. This is fluoride free though. I got the fluoride free version. It seemed to be higher rated on the website. It says it's never tested on animals, and yeah, so I was really interested in this product. It seemed really cool to me, and yeah, I don't know if you're supposed to use a special toothbrush though. Probably just use a different toothbrush, I guess. I don't know, but it's supposed to be like more natural than like Crest or whatever. I use Crest, but I'm trying to like trying something new. So plus I was trying to get the minimum for free shipping and to get my free gifts. So, but this I think was $5. I don't know. I'll list the price of this somewhere in here, probably down below, or I'll do a pop-up or something. Okay, the next item I got, oh, it looks like my last item. The last item I have, which they really packaged it really well, is this. I chose gray because my kitchen is like a gray tone. It's a little basket. This was free, so I got all these things that I'm putting in here for free. I can't really quite put this in there. So all this was free. All this stuff was free. Oh no, I missed one. This is free. Oh, I don't want to break it. That would hurt my feelings because I just got it. Yeah, so like all this stuff right here in this basket, including the basket, was free with a $20 purchase. And then I bought these and this. I thought I added in a different wood cleaner too, but maybe it didn't add onto the order. Oh well, that's what I got. So hopefully you like my haul. I was just trying to post something. I want to start getting back into doing YouTube. Just let me know what you think down below. I'll post everything down below in the description box. Thank you so much. Bye.